So how do you mark dates on the iPhone calendar? Let me explain it and show it to you step by step. So if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe right now and you'll never miss anything important. So at first we get inside the iPhone calendar. You can see we have the month view in front of us. And if we want to mark a specific date, you can just choose that day of the month. For example, let me pick like the 11th of August, right? And what I can do is I can add some date in this. So when I have the day open, I can click the plus button in the top right like this, and I can set up a new event or reminder. So you can like mark it in two different ways. Most likely you're going to go with the event, and in here I'm going to type in the example event, right? So I'm just gonna give it like a random name. And in order to mark the whole day, like the date, right, you can make sure that you enable the all day mode, meaning that there isn't any specific time for it, and only, that it starts on August 11th and also ends on the same day. The thing you can also set up below is whether it's going to repeat on everyday basis, right? Or however you like it. But also you can assign it to the proper calendar, because as you can see, you most likely have it the same way that you have it separated by home, work, calendar, and I even created one more category, which is called untitled, but you should have at least a few of these categories. So you can mark it and, just place it however you want. It is also color coded, so you can see in real time which event belongs to which calendar just by looking at the color, and it's actually very useful. So that's how you can mark it. You can see you can add more stuff, you can do whatever you want with them. So if you have any additional questions, make sure you check out the rest of the channel, because I have so many things going on in there, and you can also subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.